Samsung received a lot of flack about Galaxy S22 range's Exynos 2200 chip. The SoC was prone to overheating and even caused issues with the screen and battery life. There were rumors that the company may not equip its 2023 and 2024 flagships with home-breed chips, but this was refuted by a leaker. To clear things up for us, some insiders have given their 2 cents about whether the Galaxy S23 will be powered by the Exynos 2300 in some markets. Samsung usually keeps America and China-bound premium smartphones with Qualcomm's high-end Snapdragon chips, and the rest of the markets get in-house Exynos chips. In response to the growing criticisms of its Exynos processors, Samsung has apparently decided to focus more exclusively on tailor-making chips specifically for its smartphones instead of also worrying about selling them to other smartphone manufacturers. A South Korean outlet had said that the Samsung would dedicate the next 2 years to designing chips instead of manufacturing them. This had implied that all high-end 2023 and 2024 Samsung phones, including the Galaxy S23, would be fueled by Snapdragon chips. This rumor was sort of put to rest when renowned leaker Roland Quant tweeted about the existence of Exynos 2200's successor, although he did not at that time that his post was based on 2-month-old information and Samsung might have changed plans during that time. Today, tipster Garian Han again hinted that the Samsung is not going to manufacture a flagship Exynos chip this year. Leakers Chunwan 8888 and Yogesh Brewer also chimed in and said that although Samsung is working on the Exynos 2300, it's not clear if it will make it into the Galaxy S23. Samsung's forthcoming flagships, the Galaxy Z Fold 4 and Flip 4, will most likely only come in Snapdragon versions. These foldable phones will probably be unveiled in August and will be underpinned by the recently announced Snapdragon 8 Plus Generation 1. Leaked specs indicate they have the potential to outshine the current best phones of 2022. The Galaxy S23 is not expected until January 2023, so it's too early to be talking about it. A handful of early rumors have started to surface about Samsung's next S-series phone, and per them, the phone may feature the company's 20-megapixel camera that has been collecting dust since its announcement, a quad curved display, and an under-display front camera. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, feel free to share with your friends. Subscribe us quickly to get regular updates.